You got nothing left to lose tonight. In the end we'll see a change. Only love lasts, only love. In the night we shall go in. Will you follow me down, 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 down? It's the crime of the century. We fight for the reason honoring everyone we left behind. Till the light is brought back to every kind. Give me everything you got. Let's leave this world behind.
So, we've hit 1,000 subscribers. I thought I'd build something for you guys to say thank you. So, I know they don't make play buttons for 1,000 subs, so I thought I'd make my own. There's 1,000 of you who are enjoying watching the videos that I make. This is for you guys. Thank you for subscribing. I know it's not the most perfectly built thing in the world. It was just a bit of fun doing it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about it. Let me know what you think about just this little building itself. Would you like to see me do more little builds like this of just completely random things, just building things? Yeah, leave a like down below if you've enjoyed this. Definitely leave a comment, please. I absolutely love reading all you guys' comments and chatting away with you guys down there. So yeah, keep commenting away and subscribe if you aren't already. Let's keep going and see where this YouTube thing takes us. And one last time, thank you very much for all the subscribers, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.